These are the So we're busy today because it's our midterm exam. So these are the stuff that we made today. And yeah, there's still some stuff here. This one, this one. And that guy is man. Sana no. Hello mga ka-chef, this is Chef Jude. Today I'm going to make a banana loaf because we have so much banana brought from my workplace and from my work. So right now I decided to make a banana loaf for my baby's breakfast today. So I have the ingredients, starting with the 4 cups of this is actually double serving. So this is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a baking soda, and then I have a salt, and then I have a vanilla and milk all together. I have 2 pieces of egg. This is large egg, okay? And I have a combination of white sugar and what's this? White sugar and brown sugar. I'm sorry, the focus is where like that, okay? And then I have a mashed banana. I didn't mash it like super mashy. I want something like some stuff to bite, you know, something like that. And then so that's a simple banana loaf. But right now I want something like twist, not really twist, but you heard this already. So you can use any nuts, especially nuts. Peanut and banana are really complement each other. So I have an extra almond nuts there, so I'm gonna put some almond nuts for some crunchiness on the top of it. And then the next one, I have this chocolate. So it's up to you guys. You can like make a simple banana without this chocolate or without that nuts. It's fine if you want the simple one. So yeah, okay, as you can see, I need to have a big bowl, so I have it here with me. Sorry guys for the space of my, it's not too big because the camera is not too big too. The camera is not big. Anyway, I will add all the wet ingredients. 2 egg, sugar, there you go. So right now I'm going to whisk the sugar. I saw something color there. Okay. So right now I'm going to whisk the sugar. I forgot guys, I have some melted butter here. Some of my like all my stuff I use from school, so I left it from the school where I'm teaching culinary advanced pastry. Okay, I put vanilla, so if you want something like, sorry the butter is breaking, but I'm not worried about it. It's fine, guys. Because why this happened, you see this, I'll teach you why. Because the banana is kind of a little bit colder, the milk is a little bit cold, so they're not in the same temperature. That's how it looks like. But I'm not worried because the flour will going to incorporate them very well, so don't worry about, guys. So when you're making a tip for you guys, if you want like really not really perfect, but if you want to do it perfectly, just do temperature, like get the temperature in each ingredients you have, especially on the egg is cold, so when you mix it with the butter will, you know what happened with the butter, right? You know what I mean. So but the butter is not to set very well, so when you mix it later they're gonna go, so I'm not worried. Anyway, sometimes it takes times also to, it takes times to get the temperature in each of your ingredients anyway, right? So and then I already combined my baking soda on my flour. When putting a flour, make sure just a little bit, half and half of the flour, and then make mixing on the middle, like in the middle of this, just slowly. Yeah. Okay, and then another half. Don't overbeat. Okay, 5 minutes is done, so everything is ready. I have the pan. I put some liner in the bottom. I spray it with this is a non-stick pan, so it's fine if I don't spray it. But this mixture of mine is made up of butter too, so the butter will melt later, so they will not stick in our pan if your pan is not a non-stick. So okay, I made a double batch for this, so I only pour a little bit in there because they're gonna rise a little bit too. So some of this I have here with me a small like mini pan, so I'm gonna put this in my mini pan. So maybe yeah, more. Okay, more of that. Halfway later, you can put right away the nuts on top of it. But if you don't want like to burn the nuts right away, put the nuts halfway. Yeah, halfway cooking, like finish, Like if this one is sort of almost finished, like maybe 15 minutes or 18 minutes before done, that's the time we will put the nuts. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the oven. I have a small oven and I have a big one, so usually if I'm not doing like a lot of baking, so I use the smaller one. So this is the oven. This is a small oven. So the temperature is ready. I already preheat this. So this is nice because this is what do you call that, convection. This is, oh, I thought it's big, but it's not really big. Anyway, yeah. So this is convection oven, very small oven. It's cheaper oven actually. So 350 for about 40 minutes. But I usually start at 30 and then check it again. So I put on 30. Yeah, like that for 350. And then we will see after 30 minutes. We have to check it. Sometimes it depends on the humid. Sometimes, you know, if it's hot outside, it affects also our baking product. So that's it. So we'll wait for 30 minutes. Okay, the rest of this, I'm gonna put that in my mini pan. So maybe 4 of them, probably, I think. Then spray a little bit, spray a little bit, spray a little bit. Okay. And then pour this mixture here. That, and then another here. So I can put this at the same time too because I still have space there. But you have to look for the time between the two baking stuff because of course you know that way. The small stuff will be baked earlier than the bigger one. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the smaller one. I believe it's gonna be like 15 minutes to 18 minutes, not too long. So 30 minutes is done. So the bread, I put the toppings already. So the bread is like rising now. And the color changed like a little bit golden brown now. So we're almost there, we're almost there. Now what's going on with my camera is adjusting with, yeah, there you go. Okay. So wait another 15 minutes. So we'll check the smaller one. If when you touch it and then bouncing back, which means they're ready. But just to make sure if it's ready, poke it. The other one at the back, it's not yet ready. It's still soft. So I knew that it's not yet cooked. So, okay. So here we go. Our finished product for the small banana loaf. See that? I used a small oven and it turns out really good. I thought it will not Turns out good, but not bad as for this one actually. Take some picture out of it. Not bad. So right now I'm going to unmold this bread, how it looks like. Have to be careful. Ooh, looks good, man. See that? So maybe next time I need to add more baking soda to make the color darker. And I will use the brown sugar, right? But anyway, I don't mind it as long as it's kind of warm still, but anyway, that's fine. So this it looks very good on small, right? There you go. So we'll do the focus on each product. Like that. Yeah, we'll see how it looks like. So yeah, looks good. Looks moist, not overcooked. Okay. So I pulled out the bigger one already. So touch it. They're soft and starting to be moist on the side. So yeah, the color of this one is okay. Looks shiny. If you want to make it more like shiny, make a simple syrup brush with simple syrup or honey. Yeah, to make it more shiny and more moist, you know. But it's up to you guys if you don't want. So this is now our banana bread. As you can see, I'll show you how soft the texture is. See that? So that's it, very soft when you press it. And this is my 3 small mini loaf muffin. Now mini loaf molder. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you learned this easy banana, like not too long to make actually. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye.